It's gonna be amazing.
Are you doing that?
Excuse
Are you
me?
doing the review?
Yeah, can you go away? Shh.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, bye. Sorry about that. Oh, well, hello, YouTube. How's everyone going today? So, I got a new package, and I wonder what's inside. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, welcome. I do fitness and lifestyle, and now investing and stocks investment stuff as well. I am not a professional investor, just to let you know, but I'll be doing a few more videos in future. If you guys like that stuff from the last video, if you haven't, go check it out. Please leave a comment down below. I got a new package today.
It's mail time!
Let's go and open it up and find out what it is. As you know, Ghost, one of my all-time favorite supplement companies, have just released a really super exclusive flavor that I have been waiting for so long, and has been about a year and a bit in the making. I love these guys. They are fully transparent in the business and how you get to see behind the brand on their YouTube channel. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Just bring good stuff to you, to your life, to hopefully improve yours. So first up, this is the Ghost coconut ice cream. Oh my god, isn't this sound amazing? And I cannot wait to try this in my pancake, my protein pancakes that I famously make, which I will put a video link to that, but I will probably make another one for you guys. So it's a little bit more than the usual. Actually I think it's about the same, but I'll double check that, because coconut's generally a little bit more fattening. But this is unfortunately not vegan friendly. It is gluten free though, that's what I do love, and it's soy free. So go check out their products. I am not sponsored by Ghost, but I absolutely love this company, and as you know, I've been a long time supporter. And yeah, so go check out my Instagram links for my fitness, so Evatronic with 3. Yeah, and you know what's really cool about this company is the packaging is incredible. Look at this. I love this guy, how they use their products in any different way. But yeah, look at this amazing graphic design stuff. I love you guys for that. And if you look at the packaging, I know you can't really see this, but I'll probably do like a close-up, but you can really feel like the imprint. It says raised design. I also got thanks to Ricky, by the way. Ricky, shout out to you. Thank you so much for helping me out on all my orders, because I always mess up and my codes never work as well. I love you guys for that, helping me out. And I got a new Ghost shoe bag. I travel a lot and I'm always looking for shoe bags, and I got sick and tired of using Apple bags, because we used to love taking Apple bags. They were the perfect shoe bag for travel. Look at that, awesome. Keep your sneakers in here. This is great, and also it's for full-size sneakers as well, for you boys who have bigger shoe size than the ladies. And it's got 2 little pocket air holes, because you know your shoes can get a little stinky. But what I like about this shoe bag is that it has a little pouch for all your extra needs, or you can even just use it as a tech bag. That's what I use it for. So you know what's really funny about the characters on any of their products is that this one says legends don't always use a shaker. Ghost Way is versatile AF, and use it in smoothies, protein, ice cream, oats, pancakes, and baked goods. Get inspired. ghostlifestyle.com. Use the code BESEEN. I am not sponsored, to save you some money and get you some little gains. So for me, I love protein pancakes. I also put half a scoop of this stuff into my oatmeal, so just about half a scoop. just to flavor the oatmeal, because my oatmeal is plain and there's no flavor, so I usually add peanut butter. But if you don't and you want to add some more protein, that is a great way to get that extra protein into your meals without adding any sugar. If you do want something sweet besides protein and you don't have any, I normally add some fruits, and I'm being natural fresh fruits, not this dry stuff that's been sugar coated. And then add a little bit of natural honey. Honey is really good for your immune system if you didn't know. If you like this kind of video, drop me a comment down below, and let me know what you guys put in your oatmeal or your meals, or yeah, what kind of protein do you guys like? Because I'm very ghost biased. Alright, so here's a little footage for you going to the gym, and yeah, see you guys there.
I've been in your waters. I can for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
So hope you guys enjoy the video and the workout. Drop me a like, please. It would really help the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope to bring you more content. If you guys enjoy the finance and investing stuff, please do leave me a comment, because I have no idea if you like it or not, and I know it's not for everyone. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video, and I will probably make a protein pancake with the coconut, just to let you guys know how it is and my review on it. That will be in the next video, so keep Evatronic, and don't forget to hit that like button, smash it, don't break your computer or your phone, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.